Alright, so here we are with the Cyberdeck build, and I went ahead and glued, epoxied some of these pieces together here, and you can see where the bottom base plate, you can see where it was glued together. Had a couple little gaps in the middle here, and I filled in the gaps with some epoxy with the JB weld. And now I'm going to go ahead and sand this, and hopefully we'll have a nice flat version here. May have to do another couple of iterations of the epoxy just so we can get it nice and smooth. And so I did another one here because I had a couple little imperfections. I want this to look really smooth. I'm going to attempt to paint this with acrylic paint and get some primer, and hopefully can get some black primer and then some black acrylic paint, and then we'll also shoot it with some clear coat. So this is just a rough, it's kind of rough right now, but once I sand it, it'll look beautiful. And so this is where the speakers go. And we have the speakers. Ben also, he had to cut this all up, and I believe he ran the speaker wire over here. So we have to do that yet still. And everything fits nice. Front bezel fits really nice. Everything fits beautiful. He did a great job on designing the parts, so they all fit together. So I didn't see fully how he put all the screws in, but we're going to make it work. I was thinking about drilling in the bottom here and putting the screws from the bottom to the top, and instead of using, I don't know if he used the inserts here or not, but probably going to put the screws through here, and so it'll be a little bit more tougher and be a little stronger to have the head of the screw on the back plate. So yep, so going to be sanding this down. Just so you see, this is the actual trackball. You can see how high it comes up. Not much I can do about that at the moment. The keyboard will go in here nice. I already checked the keyboard out. This is the Apple keyboard. This will go right in here. I had to sand down one of the corners here. I had to file one of the corners to get this to fit perfect inside. But I think what I'll do is I'll make one more piece, which I don't think he had, but one more piece to go over the keyboard. And so when the keyboard goes flush, the secondary piece is going to go on the top just to keep it actually in place. And then what I'll do is I'll 3D print. I'll make the piece where it comes over and then comes up here. And what I'll probably do, I took the mouse apart. What I'll probably do is trim this off on the side over here and make it so this will custom fit inside the 3D printed piece. So I can have the wheel and then the mouse ball, which of course popped out a couple times. It fell out. So the mouse ball will be here. Be able to roll this around, trackball I should say. And then this will be inside the piece that I'm going to be printing. So we'll make it all one molded piece. It comes down, goes over the keyboard, and it'll look beautiful as one piece. So that's the plan, at least. I have a couple more pieces on order. I bought a USB. I'll put a link in the description. But I bought a piece. I bought a USB-C. So what I can do is just going to clip this off, and I'll rewire the USB to a USB-C, and then that way it'll plug directly into the main board. They got two USB-C ports on the main board, so I have those coming. Those will be tomorrow, and I will probably, I know Ben, I did the same thing he did. I pulled this all off. What I'm thinking about doing was I'll probably shorten this up, maybe cut this and then solder it to the piece that the USB-C solderable piece that I bought, so that way I can make this smaller. So there's a couple little modifications I'm going to do to the build, but we'll see how it works out, and we will have some more videos of the progress. It could be a couple parts to this project. So thanks for watching.